Hello kids, Romi Kids Songs with you. Don't forget to follow our channel and like the video.
Say A! A is for apple. How do you describe an apple? It's red. It's sweet. Take a bite. Say B! B is for ball. How do you describe a ball? Round and bouncy. Let's play in the garden. Say C! C is for cat. How do you describe a cat? Soft and furry. Meow, meow. Say D! D is for dog. How do you describe a dog? Loyal and friendly. Woof, woof. Say E! E is for elephant. How do you describe an elephant? Big and strong with a long, long trunk. Say F! F is for fish. How do you describe a fish? Swims in water. Glub, glub, glub. Say G! G is for giraffe. How do you describe a giraffe? Tall and spotted, reaching high. Say H! H is for hat. How do you describe a hat? Put it on, look so cool. Say I! I is for ice cream. How do you describe ice cream? Cold and yummy, lick it fast. Say J! J is for jump. How do you describe jump? Up and down, high and low. Say K! K is for kite. How do you describe a kite? Flying high up in the sky. Say R! Is for lion. How do you describe a lion? Big and mighty, roar so loud. Say M! M is for moon. How do you describe the moon? Shining bright in the night. Say N! N is for nest. How do you describe a nest? Birds sleep safe and warm inside. Say O! O is for orange. How do you describe an orange? Round and juicy, full of taste. Say P! P is for penguin. How do you describe a penguin? Waddle, waddle, sliding fun. Say Q! Q is for queen. How do you describe a queen? Strong and wise, ruling bright. Say R! R is for rainbow. How do you describe a rainbow? Colorful and bright, up so high. Say S! S is for sun. How do you describe the sun? Warm and golden, shining bright. Say T! T is for train. How do you describe a train? Choo choo, moving fast. Say U! U is for umbrella. How do you describe an umbrella? Keeps us dry in the rain. Say V! V is for violin. How do you describe a violin? Plays sweet music, soft and nice. Say W! W is for whale. How do you describe a whale? Big and deep in the ocean blue. Say X! X is for xylophone. How do you describe a xylophone? Ding, ding, playing notes. Say Y! Y is for yawn. How do you describe a yawn? Stretch and sleepy, time for. Say Z! Z is for zebra. How do you describe a zebra? Black and white, running free.
Don't forget to follow us. Subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. Bye-bye.